Ready to ditch the appointment chaos and finally take control of your schedule using Shopify? First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard, the control center of your online store. Look for the Apps section, usually on the left-hand side menu. Click on it. Now, you'll be in the Shopify App Store. In the search bar at the top, type in appointment booking. Several apps will pop up offering appointment scheduling features. Take some time to browse through the options. Consider things like pricing, features offered, and customer reviews. For this tutorial, let's choose Book the tab. Click on the app you've selected to view its details. You'll be taken to the app's dedicated page. Here, you can read more about its functionalities, see screenshots, and read reviews. If it looks like a good fit, click the Install button. Shopify will then ask you to authorize the app to access your store data. This is a standard security measure. Review the permissions carefully, and if you are happy with them, click the Authorize button to grant access. You'll now be redirected to the app's setup wizard or dashboard within your Shopify admin. Every app is different, so follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Typically, you'll need to connect your Shopify products or services to the app. This part involves configuring appointment slots, setting the duration of each service, and defining your availability. This is crucial for the app to accurately manage bookings. You might want to offer different durations for each service, such as standard haircut and deluxe haircut. Finally, check how the appointment booking looks on your product pages. Make sure the Book Now button is visible and the scheduling process is smooth. Your customers should be able to easily select a date and time that works for them. And that's it. You're now all set to accept appointment bookings on your Shopify store, freeing you up to focus on delivering awesome customer experiences.